Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to complain in Temu App quickly and easily, so you can solve any issue without stress. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Temu App. Make sure you're signed into your account, otherwise you won't be able to access the support features. Step 2. Next, once you're in the app, look for the main menu. This is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the U option to open your personal settings and account information. Step 3. After that, look towards the top of the screen and find the customer care icon. This section is where you'll find help for all kinds of issues. Tap on it to open the support area. Step 4. Now, once you're inside the customer care section, you'll see several categories. Choose the one that matches your issue. For example, select Product in Stock if that's what your concern is, then click on Stock for more details. Step 5. If none of the provided answers or suggestions fix your issue, scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap on the Contact Us option. This is where you can type in your specific problem and ask for direct help from Temu's support team. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to complain in Temu App. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to resolve your issues without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.